Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's lectures is going to be very interesting. Why? Because today we are going to discuss a question which is related to HCF and LCM. This is one of the very common question which is coming in different competitive exams, especially banking, NTPC, different competitive exam. This type of question is coming very frequently, right? So read the questions. LCM of the two number is 2400. Which of the following cannot be the HCM? So these are the numbers which are given to you. You have to check out which are the numbers which cannot be the HCM. So in order to solve this type of problems, one statement you need to be remembered. What is that? Just remember this line. LCM is always divisible by HCF. This is the key word for in order to solve this problem. LCM is always divisible by HCF. Now from here you have to find out a number in which 2400 is not divisible, right? So you check, this is 300, 2400 is divisible by 300, so this will not be the answer. Since we have to find out the number which cannot be the HCF, 300 may be the HCF. Now check 400, yes, if 2 cancels are 0, then 24 is divisible by 4, so this cannot be the answer. Now 600 is also, 2400 is divisible by 600, that is also will not be the answer. So see, only 500 is left. Now check whether it is divisible or not. 2400 is not divisible by 500 because 20 cancel, 24 is not divisible by 500. So 500 is not divisible by, so we can write 2400 is not divisible by 500. So 500 is the correct answer. So option C is the correct answer. So this is the concept for in order to solve this problem. So I hope you were clear with the concept. So if you like my video, please follow and subscribe my channel. Or if you wanted to more such problems with the solutions, then you can write in my WhatsApp numbers or you can write in the comment box. I'll be there to help you. Thank you for watching.